Hi, this is Jim Munson here at Encore Packaging, and today we are talking about our EP1355 battery-operated friction weld combination tool for polyester and polypropylene strapping. So as the name suggests, a combination tool is one that both tension strap and seal strap all at once. So show you some of the settings that we've got here on the EP1355. So first at the bottom here, you've got your two different kinds of strap, polyester and polypropylene. You've then got your manual versus your automatic setting. The difference here is when you're in manual, pressing the tension button, the tool will pull tension while you're pressing it and stop when you take your finger off. In the automatic setting, press this tension button once and the tool will pull to whatever tension you have set and won't stop until it gets there. So then this button here is the tension setting, and then this is going to be the weld time. To change or adjust any of the settings, you just hold it down until it starts blinking, cycle through until the point at which you want it, and then you just take it off and wait until it stops blinking, and then the tool will be good to go. Now let's take a look at the tool in action. So I have some 5/8 inch green polyester strapping here to demonstrate the tool. So you want to have your bottom strap here and your top strap here. Take your tool and squeeze the lever here to open the tool up. You'll see that you make a gap there between the gripper plate and the feed wheel that allows you to slide your strap in. And you want to make sure that your strap in the front is inside of that strap guide there, and that it is also inside of the strap guide in the back. So once it is, you press your tension button. I have it set in manual, so it's only going to pull when I'm pressing the button. Once you have it to that tension that you like, you press down the handle here. You're going to wait for that countdown and that ding, and then you're going to pull the tool to the side like that after raising up the handle to open the tool again, just like at the beginning. And then you can see there, that is our friction welded strap. And that is what a good seal should look like. You should see just a little bit of melting on the sides there. And that is a nice looking friction weld. So the 1355 has a single brushless motor. The tool comes with 2 batteries and a charger when you order it. There are also 2 models of the tool, the 1/2 inch 5/8 unit, which pulls 425 pounds of tension, and then the 5/8 3/4 unit, which pulls about 925 pounds of tension. Either tool is adjustable between its 2 strap widths. So again, this is the EP1355 friction combination tool sold right here at Encore Packaging. Thank you.